RVing in America, a journey of freedom and discovery. It's a way of life connecting us to the great outdoors and each other. Supporting this adventure are two American-made companies, SuperSteer and Roadmaster Inc. Working together, they deliver American ingenuity to the RV steering and suspension industry and help to define the future for safer and happier driving. Founded in 1970 by Jerry Edwards, Roadmaster is a testament to the enduring legacy of a family-owned and operated enterprise. Born from little more than a resolute can-do attitude and a commitment to both personal and corporate autonomy, Roadmaster has not only survived but flourished in the competitive marketplace for over 5 decades. At its heart, self-sufficiency remains the cornerstone of Roadmaster's philosophy. As an American-made manufacturer, they have the unique ability to turn raw steel into a finished product. SuperSteer is thankful for its vital partnership with Roadmaster.
Hi, my name is David Robinson. I'm the Vice President of Roadmaster. SuperSteer has been a fantastic partner for Roadmaster, much more so than we. SuperSteer has a narrow focus on suspension and handling and steering. Because they are so specialized, they actually know a lot more about certain things than we do, and their expertise has been invaluable in developing new suspension-related products. Great customer, good people, extremely knowledgeable, and we're happy to partner with them.
My name is Rod Flint, and I'm a production supervisor. My relationship with SuperSteer is a daily hands-on phone visit with SuperSteer dealing with production needs. We manufacture here at Roadmaster, but SuperSteer has become Roadmaster's eyes and ears out in the public. We're really encouraged about the RV industry booming, and we're growing and meeting their needs at the same time.
SuperSteer and Roadmaster, a great testament to the enduring spirit of American manufacturing, combining to enhance your RV driving experience. The promise of reliability and performance. Steering your journey, enhancing every mile. Take the wheel of your next adventure with confidence. Choose American-made excellence for your RV. Because the best RV journeys always begin with the best RV equipment. To learn more about these American-made companies, visit SuperSteerParts.com and RoadmasterInc.com.